Hello L2 Writers, and welcome to the Research Skills for L2 Writers Library Guide. This is a guide to help second language writers at the U develop their research skills. My name is Lindsay Hanson, and I am the International and ESL Library Instructor at the Marriott Library. I'm going to show you how to use this guide to help you improve your research skills and become a better writer for your writing courses. So first, up here we see a series of tabs. There are 9 lessons in this research guide, all of which focus on a different aspect of the research process. Your instructor will tell you which lessons you need to work on and what date you need to finish them by. So I'm just going to show you how to navigate through the lessons and what is included in each lesson. I'm going to use Lesson 8 as an example. First, when you roll over the Lesson tab, you will see a bubble that pops up that tells you a brief description of the lesson. And if you click on the Lesson tab, it takes you to a page of the lesson objectives. This page will tell you what you should expect to learn in this module. If you go up to the tab again, you'll see it brings up this drop-down list. These are the order in which you need to go through the pages in this lesson, from top to bottom. So on the first page are some pre-reading activities. These activities are meant to activate your schemata and get you thinking about the topic of the lesson. If you go to the second tab of any of the lessons, you will start to see the texts that you will need to work with. Some of the texts are videos, and some of the texts are written. Read the texts and watch the videos, and then at the end you will take a very short reading check to see what you remember from this page. When you go to the third page, you will see another section of text, and this text focuses on the academic language use for this lesson. And if you scroll down, you'll see we use a variety of written text, a variety of graphic organizers, here's another graphic organizer, and some lists to help you learn the academic language needed for this lesson. Sometimes there are also videos in the language section as well. The fourth section is always a summary of the lesson and some additional resources you can access if you have further questions. And then the very last page is a quiz for the lesson. And in this quiz you enter your name and your email, the class you are taking, and your instructor's name, and then you answer all of the questions. These questions will go to your instructor so they can see how you did on this lesson's quiz. In addition to the 9 lessons, we also have a page for an assessment. This is the quiz, the big quiz that you take at the end of the Research Skills for L2 Writers Library Guide, and it has information from all of the lessons. Also on this tab, it's called Research Labs. It takes you to a page where you can find dates and information about where to get extra research help if you are having trouble. Also, there is the Help tab, which will connect you to the page where you can email a librarian if you have any questions or concerns. And then the last page is a glossary. This has a list of all the vocabulary that is used throughout the module, so if you see a word that you don't know, come to the glossary to look it up. And you see a word in gold, roll the mouse over the word and a little bubble will pop up with a synonym, and if you click the word, it takes you directly to the glossary. Well, L2 writers, I hope that this video helped you learn how to use the L2 Writing Guide. And remember, if you ever have any questions, please ask your instructor or a librarian for help to navigate this research guide. Thank you.